Have you seen those viral videos where a simple block of styrofoam magically turns into a realistic animal sculpture? They're everywhere on social media right now. And the crazy part is, you can create videos like this with AI in just a few minutes. Step 1. Get the prompt. First, we need a master prompt that will generate the styrofoam animal sculpture video. I've already put the master prompt on my website, and you can find the link in the description. Once you have the prompt, you only need to change one thing: the name of the animal you want to create. For example, let's say I want to create a gorilla, so simply enter gorilla into the prompt, then copy the entire prompt. That's it. Now we're ready to generate the video. Step 2. Generate the video. Next, head over to Google Flow and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, create a new project. Now, make sure you select Video Generation and choose the Ingredients option. For the aspect ratio, select Portrait 9:16, since this format is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For the video generation model, choose Omni Flash, and for the duration, select the maximum option, which is 10 seconds. Now, paste the master prompt that we copied earlier into the prompt box. Once everything looks good, just hit send and let Google Flow do its thing. The generation might take a few minutes, so just wait for it to finish. And there you go, your AI-generated styrofoam animal sculpture video. You can experiment with different animals, different scenes, and different ideas to create your own unique versions. And who knows, your next AI styrofoam sculpture video could be the one that blows up and gets millions of views.